Learn Gujarati fast. Office phrases from English to
Gujarati.
Welcome to the very serious office. Hey, you are about to learn Gujarati through a tiny office drama where nobody panics professionally. Or at least they panic with excellent vocabulary. You walk into an office with heroic confidence, only to discover that everything is happening, has happened, or absolutely has not happened yet. A clerk whispers.
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે.
You nod as if you totally expected that. Then someone points at a notice board and says,
નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
Great. A decision exists, but apparently it missed you. You try another room. Nope.
દરવાજો બંધ છે.
Of course it is. Finally, one smiling employee raises a thumb and announces,
કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
Wonderful. Something is complete. But just when hope returns, the manager sighs and says,
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
Congratulations. You are now in the perfect place to learn useful Gujarati. Your 5 power sentences. Let's meet your key phrases one by one. Say them out loud with a little drama, it helps more than you think. First, the data are being checked. In Gujarati, say,
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે.
This is great for offices, reports, and moments when you want to sound calm while everyone else stares at spreadsheets. Second, the decision was made yesterday. In Gujarati,
નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
Useful when the meeting is over, the debate is over, and somehow the snacks are also over. Third, the door is closed. In Gujarati,
દરવાજો બંધ છે.
Short, clear, and emotionally devastating when you forgot your key. Fourth, the task was completed. In Gujarati,
કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
This is the sentence of victory, relief, and maybe tea. Fifth, the report is not written yet. In Gujarati,
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
Very useful in offices. Also useful for writers avoiding deadlines in every language. Mini story. Chaos with paperwork. Now listen to the phrases inside one silly story. Just relax and let the repetition do the heavy lifting. At 9 in the morning, you enter the office with coffee, confidence, and absolutely no clue. You ask, "Can I see the results?" The analyst smiles in the way only tired analysts can smile and replies,
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે.
Fine. You decide to ask about the big meeting instead. The receptionist says,
નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
You missed the decision. Impressive. You walk quickly to the manager's room, grab the handle, and discover.
દરવાજો બંધ છે.
Naturally. A cheerful intern appears and says,
કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
You feel hope rising like dramatic background music. Then you ask for the final document. The intern lowers their voice and says,
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
And that, dear learner, is how an office can be both productive and completely not ready. Quick dialogues. Time to hear the phrases in short exchanges. These are perfect for shadowing, so repeat after each answer. A. Is the report ready? B.
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે.
A. When was it decided? B.
નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
A. Can we go in? B.
દરવાજો બંધ છે.
A. Was the assignment still pending? B. No.
કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
A. Why can't we send the file? B.
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
Memory tricks that are slightly ridiculous. A weird image is often easier to remember than a boring one. So yes, we are about to make these sentences delightfully strange. Picture a giant computer wearing reading glasses and muttering.
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે.
If the computer is serious, you will remember the phrase. Imagine a huge calendar jumping off a wall and shouting,
નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
Yesterday mattered. The calendar refuses to let you forget. See a door with crossed arms, dark sunglasses, and a tiny badge saying,
દરવાજો બંધ છે.
no entry. The door has attitude. Visualize a golden stamp landing on a checklist with a dramatic boom.
કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
That is the sound of success. Now imagine a blank report page yawning lazily and saying,
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
the page had one job. Say it with me. Let's do a clean repetition drill. Listen, repeat, and try to match the rhythm. The data are being checked.
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે.
The decision was made yesterday.
નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
The door is closed.
દરવાજો બંધ છે.
The task was completed.
કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
The report is not written yet.
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let's see what stuck. No pressure. Even the imaginary office staff believes in you. How do you say, the data are being checked?
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે.
How do you say, the decision was made yesterday?
નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો.
How do you say, the door is closed?
દરવાજો બંધ છે.
How do you say, the task was completed?
કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
How do you say, the report is not written yet?
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
Friendly conclusion. You made it, and unlike that report, you are definitely finished for today. Nicely done. Today you practiced 5 practical Gujarati office phrases.
ડેટા ચકાસવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે. નિર્ણય કાલે લેવામાં આવ્યો હતો. દરવાજો બંધ છે. કાર્ય પૂર્ણ થયું હતું.
And,
અહેવાલ હજુ લખાયો નથી.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and soon your Gujarati will sound more natural, confident, and impressively prepared for extremely dramatic office situations.